Hi guys, I'm Anusha Iyengar from Bollywood Life, and just like you guys, I'm also hooked to the Dev and Sonakshi love story on Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi. We saw Bua Dadi's entry in the last episode, which was so dramatic, and we know there's a lot that's going to happen in the show right now. So here are 5 predictions of what might happen in the show in the upcoming episodes. We've seen that Ishwari made a lehenga specially for Sonakshi, which was worth 15 lakh rupees. So we're guessing that Sonakshi's parents and Sonakshi herself will already have an outfit made for her Feras, and Ishwari might feel bad or create a scene related to the dress, which might be a small thing, but it could happen. We've already seen how Vicky keeps making a pass at Elena all the time, and we're guessing it's going to turn into a bigger issue in the future where Dev and Sonakshi might have to choose between their respective sisters and brothers. It'll also be interesting to watch how the Garib ki beti Radha reacts to all of this situation in case it happens in future. As far as Bua Dadi is concerned, we've already seen how madly orthodox she is. She refused to drink water if it's not served in a steel tumbler, and obviously we saw how she treats her own daughter-in-law. So we're guessing that she's going to stay in the show and in their house for a really long time, even after the marriage. We had already given you spoilers on how Bua Dadi is going to manipulate Ishwari into controlling her daughter-in-law. So we know she's going to make things very difficult for Sona. So the Dikshit family is already pretty upset about having non-veg food in the wedding. We already saw how Bua Dadi reacted when she found out that Sona and her family eat non-vegetarian food. And it's going to be an even bigger shock for her when she finds out that there's non-veg food being served at the wedding. The woman who doesn't even eat onion or garlic for that matter will actually witness non-vegetarian food at the wedding. So it'll be pretty interesting and a lot of drama to watch. And one of the most important issues in the serial right now is that Sona cannot conceive, and Dev is the only person who knows about it, and he is in a constant dilemma of whether to tell Sona or not. So we're guessing that Sona might find out about her situation sooner or later through a source and will be pretty upset with Dev and might even call off the wedding. So for more gossip and for more predictions from our end, stay tuned to bollywoodlife.com, and if you have any comments, post it below and subscribe to Bollywood Life.